Mouse. A computer mouse looks similar to a real mouse. A computer mouse has a long wire which looks like the tail of a real mouse. This wire is connected to the CPU box and cabinet. A mouse helps us to select things on the monitor. We can draw and color pictures using a mouse. Nowadays, there are mice that do not have the wire. These are commonly known as wireless mouse. Mouse buttons. A mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel in the center. Scroll wheel, left button, right button, mouse pad. Mouse pointer. We use our finger to point at something. In the same way, we use the mouse to point at something on the monitor. A small arrow moves on the monitor when we move the mouse. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Rohan pointing to a tree. When we move the mouse in one direction, the pointer on the monitor also moves in the same direction. To move the pointer up, move the mouse up. Similarly, to move the pointer down, move the mouse down. Proper way to hold a mouse. Using the mouse is quite easy, but there is a proper way to do that. The picture given below shows various parts of the hand and the correct way to hold a mouse. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Palm. 1. Keep your palm on the mouse. 2. Keep your index finger on the left mouse button. 3. Keep your middle finger on the right mouse button. 4. Now hold the sides of the mouse with your thumb and rest of the fingers. 5. To move the scroll wheel, use your index finger. Mouse actions. We press the buttons on the mouse to select or point to something on the screen. This action is called clicking the mouse. Single click. When we press the mouse button once, the action is called single click. Single click is used to select an object on the screen. Double click. When we press the left mouse button 2 times quickly, the action is called double click. Double click is used to open a program or a file. Scrolling. Scrolling helps us to move a page on the screen up or down. When we place our index finger on the scroll wheel and move it up or down, this action is called scrolling.